Hey, quick question for you. When was the last time you said something to a woman that truly lit her up inside? Something that made her look at you with admiration, respect, and maybe even that little spark of attraction that you know means you're onto something. If you can't remember the last time, or if you've been using the same tired compliments over and over, don't worry. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful compliments that will make you unforgettable to women. And let me tell you, these aren't your standard run-of-the-mill compliments. These are emotional triggers, designed to tap into her deepest desires, making her feel seen, valued, and connected to you in ways that go beyond surface-level attraction. Trust me, when you use these the right way, the results are going to amaze you. Let's dive in. Here's the truth most guys don't realize. Compliments are one of the easiest ways to leave an impression, but most guys get them completely wrong. They fall into the trap of offering surface-level compliments like, "You look beautiful," or "I love that dress." And while there's nothing wrong with acknowledging her appearance, the reality is, she's heard these a million times. They don't leave a lasting impact. Why? Because they're generic. They don't make her feel special or unique. They don't spark any deep emotional connection. So what should you do instead? You need to go deeper. Instead of focusing on her looks, focus on what makes her unique, what makes her stand out as an individual. Women want to be seen for their personality, their passions, and even their quirks. They crave that kind of attention. When you give it to them, you're setting yourself apart from 99% of guys out there. Now, I'm going to walk you through 6 compliments that will do exactly that. These compliments will make her see you as someone who truly understands her, and someone she feels a deeper connection with. Ready? Compliment 1. You have such a unique way of looking at things. This one is a game changer. You're not just complimenting her appearance, you're complimenting her mind. Women want to feel intelligent and appreciated for their perspective, so when you tell her she has a unique way of looking at the world, it lets her know that you value her thoughts, ideas, and opinions. The next time she shares her perspective on something, whether it's a book she's reading, a movie she just saw, or even a deeper topic like current events, pause and say, "You know, you have such a unique way of looking at things. I really love how you think." This shows her that you're not just interested in her physical appearance, you're intrigued by her mind, and that's incredibly attractive. This is the kind of compliment that doesn't fade away. It shows her that you see her as more than just a pretty face. You see her as a full person, someone with depth and substance. Compliment 2. There's something about your energy that's so captivating. Have you ever been in a room with someone who just lights it up? A person whose energy is so magnetic that you can't help but be drawn to them? Well, that's what you want to acknowledge when you say this compliment. Women's energy is magnetic. It's not just about how they look. It's about the vibe they bring to every situation. Whether it's the way she lights up a room when she enters, the way she makes others feel comfortable, or the warmth she brings to a conversation. This compliment shows her that you value what makes her unique on an emotional level. When you say, "There's something about your energy that's so captivating," you're acknowledging the intangibles that make her stand out. This is a compliment that stays with her. It makes her feel seen for who she is at her core, not just her appearance. And when you say it with genuine admiration, it creates a deeper connection between you. Compliment 3. You're so passionate about what you do. It's inspiring. Passion is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When a woman talks about something she cares about, whether it's a cause she's passionate about, a creative project, or even a hobby, let her know how inspiring her passion is. For example, if she's telling you about a project she's working on or a cause that's close to her heart, say something like, "I really admire how passionate you are about that." It's honestly inspiring to see someone care so deeply about something. Why does this work so well? Because you're acknowledging the effort she puts into things that matter to her. You're not just complimenting her looks or her smile. You're recognizing her ambition, her drive, and the way she invests herself in what she loves. Women want to feel validated for their ambitions, and when you do that, you're showing her you appreciate the depth behind her actions. This will make her see you as someone who values authenticity and depth, qualities that can form the foundation of something truly meaning. Compliment 4. You make everyone around you feel so comfortable. In social situations, women often take on the emotional labor of making sure everyone feels included, comfortable, and at ease. If you notice this about her, let her know. For instance, imagine you're at a social event and you see how she effortlessly brings people together, how she asks thoughtful questions, or how she makes someone feel at home who might otherwise be quiet or shy. That's emotional intelligence at work, and it's something rare and valuable. When you notice this and say something like, "I love how you make everyone around you feel so comfortable," it's a special gift you have. It not only makes her feel valued, but also shows her that you're attentive and observant. It's a compliment that connects you on a deeper level because it shows you appreciate her ability to nurture and create a warm atmosphere. Compliment 5. I love how authentic you are. In today's world, it can be hard to find people who are truly authentic. There's so much pressure to fit in, to wear a mask, to be someone you're not. That's why when you find someone who is unapologetically themselves, it's incredibly rare and incredibly valuable. If she's the type of woman who isn't afraid to be herself, whether it's through her humor, her sense of style, or her quirks, let her know how much you admire that authenticity. Saying something like, "I love how authentic you are. It's so refreshing to be around someone who's just real," shows her that you respect her for not trying to be anyone else but herself. This kind of compliment can build trust because it lets her know you're attracted to her for who she truly is, not for some idealized version of herself. Compliment 6. You have this way of making everything feel more exciting. This is one of the most powerful compliments because it connects her presence to positive emotions. It's not just about what she looks like. It's about how she makes you feel when you're around her. Maybe she has a way of turning an ordinary evening into something unforgettable. Or maybe it's her infectious laugh that makes even the dullest moments feel alive. Whatever it is, when you tell her, "You have this way of making everything feel more exciting," you're telling her that her presence is something that adds value to your life. This is a compliment that makes her feel like she's irreplaceable. It's not just about the fun you have together, it's about the emotional impact she has on you, and that's something women absolutely love to hear. Final thought, delivery is key. The key to any great compliment is how you deliver it. If it sounds forced, fake, or like you're just trying to impress her, it's not going to work. You have to mean what you say. Look her in the eyes, speak with confidence, and let her feel the genuine sincerity behind your words. When your compliments are real, they'll have the kind of impact that's impossible to ignore. Your challenge. Pick one of these compliments and use it in the next few days. But remember, timing is crucial. Wait for the right moment, when it feels natural and authentic. When you see her eyes light up, you'll know you've hit the mark.